Welcome to our course. In this first lesson, I am going to introduce our language Mini Python, and welcome to the exciting journey into the world of programming. First, let us learn how a language is constructed or how we learn a language. First, we learn the alphabets. All the language have alphabets. The English has only 26 alphabets. First we learn alphabets. Then we learn words. The words are we can say, the key elements of the language. Words have power. Then we construct a sentence using words. Then we construct paragraphs using words, sentences. And we construct sentences, paragraphs using syntax and grammar, following strictly syntax and grammar. If we don't follow syntax and grammar, others cannot understand. And there will be only chaos. We cannot understand each other. We cannot communicate with each other. So we have to follow syntax and grammar strictly. Then when we know how to construct a sentence and how to write paragraphs, etc., then we can write stories, essays, long stories, even novels we can write. If possible, if anybody is having talent, he can write poems, etc., he can write. Finally, an epic can also be written with this knowledge. English has only 26 alphabets, but it is ruling the world. That is power of the English language. Okay, next section we will learn about our computer language. Okay, now we are going to study about fine details of a computer language. So in any computer language, there are certain commands. First, we have to learn commands of a particular language. Then we use variables. Variables are entities we construct and give a name, and we store some value in the variables. So these variables are constructed by us. We combine commands and variables and write statements. The statement will do one simple job, execute, and will complete a small task. And these statements are written using syntax, the grammar of the language. Using the syntax of the language, the statements are written. And a group of statements, a set of statements is called a program, and a program will achieve one small task. Okay. Next, a collection of programs execute number of tasks. That collection of program is called software. So a software will do a very big task. So this is how a software is made. Okay. Any program has this structure: input, process, output. We give some input that is processed by the computer and we get desired output. So to construct our languages, we selected some statements for input from Python. Also, we selected some statements for process. Actually, we identified 3 key process and we selected relevant statements for these 3 process. And also we selected some statements for output. All these statements make up our language called MiniPython. So it is called mini Python because our commands are selected from the Python language. Okay. This our small language, our mini language is enough to write powerful and exciting programs that we are going to see. And the Shakespeare used less than 30,000 words out of 5 lakh English words to create epics. So we will also use our mini Python to write epics or at least mini epics. Okay, we will start our journey.